Paper is a widely used material that we often take for granted, but have you ever wondered how it's made? Paper is actually made from the fibers of trees, and the process of turning those fibers into the paper we use is quite interesting. First, logs are harvested from trees and transported to a paper mill. The bark is removed from the logs and the remaining wood is chipped into small pieces. Next, the wood chips are mixed with chemicals and water in a large tank called a digester. The mixture is heated and cooked under pressure to break down the wood fibers into a pulp. After the pulp is formed, it is washed and refined to remove any impurities and create a smooth texture. The pulp is then mixed with water to create a slurry, which is spread onto a wire mesh screen. As the water drains away, the fibers begin to bond together to form a thin layer of paper. The paper is then pressed and dried to remove any remaining moisture. Depending on desired final product, the paper may undergo additional processing steps, such as coating, coloring, or embossing. And there you have it, your very own sheet of paper. Although the process of making paper may seem simple, it is actually a complex series of steps that requires careful attention to detail. The next time you use a piece of paper, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey it took to get to you. Tell me in the comment section below what you'd like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.